Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you some of my new trains that I purchased today from my local train store called Nick's Train Store here in where I live. So, first I'll show you what I got. And one of the things I got was this Santa Fe B unit to go with my other Santa Fe F units over there. So, yeah, this one's pretty nice. And then I also got a Norfolk Southern B unit, just so I have some like foreign power. So this one's a pretty nice one. It's weighted good too. So yeah, those are pretty nice. And then I also got this Rock Island boxcar. I don't know why I got it. I just thought it would look pretty cool. So yeah, that's that. Then I'll start with the smaller thing. Oh, nope, not that. This here. If I can get it out of the box. Oh. There we go. We've got this old little Santa Fe cattle car. So I thought that this was pretty nice. So I decided to get this. And then, which one's this one? Okay, so I'll open this one first. And then, yeah, I'll just sit you guys down here while I open this box. Sorry about my dogs, but yeah, I got a nice little Santa Fe Observer car to go with my F unit and my B unit. So I thought that was pretty nice. So I decided to pick that one up. And then some of y'all might be able to guess what this one is. But let's see. There we go. Yep, other Santa Fe car. These are really nice. They have kitty couplers, so I don't have to change those out, but just wanted another little car to go with that. And then last, but definitely not least, I've got another little Santa Fe thing here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it all down again. And then here we go. I got a little Santa Fe switcher. So I was pretty excited about this one because I've wanted a switcher for a while, so that's pretty nice. So I'll go ahead and plug in my track feed so I can run the things that I got. So we tested this switcher at the store. So I'm pretty confident that it's gonna run, unless something happened. But I really doubt that something happened. If I can ever get it on the track. There we go. Okay. There we go. It's not the fastest little switcher ever, and the light's not working on it, but I mean, she'll work, right? Let's put some of these box cars behind it. There we go. She's nicely colored car. It's getting cold. So I decided to pick this up. I thought it would be pretty cool to have for a senior come out. And I've always wanted one of these locomotives, so I thought I'd just pick it up for 25 bucks, which was not a bad deal at all. If I can get this uncoupled. There we go. And then I picked this one up for 6 bucks, and this one up for 6 bucks. And then these two Santa Fe's were 12 and 12. This was 9, and then this one was 15. So, not a bad deal in my eyes. So, now I'll go ahead and run the B unit with the Santa Fe car, the passenger cars. I like, just like the switcher, I've always wanted some passenger cars and a dummy B unit, because I just thought it would look good. Here, let's pull this forward a little. Nope, that's the wrong direction, isn't it? Oh, got a little derailment here. That's fine. I can't even see the wheels, so like, take a second to put it back on the tray. Here. Let me come to the side. I think it's on. I'm not sure though. Here. Let me see if I can. And it looks like it's on. Okay. Oh, that should work. These cars are really smooth, and I'm really surprised that I could get them both for $12. There we go. It's coupled on. Oh. Make sure the couplers are fine. Clip these together. Alright, there we go. Okay, hold on. I don't know what the squeaking is, but I can't tell if it's on the track or not. Oh, okay. Well, let's hook up these cars. Let's hook them up to the switcher, actually. Because I haven't seen if the switcher can pull these yet. And I kind of want to test it. So. Let's see. Here, we'll put it down real quick. Don't think it can hook up to the switcher. Let's see if I put it in front. Let's see. Alright, I'll just have it push it. Oh. Alright, we're just gonna take that off. This is gonna go into chaos, but thank y'all for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.